Hello everyone, my name is AC. I am a new OBS fanatic. Today I want to show you how I stream a Zoom meeting to a Facebook page using OBS. I'm going to assume that you have OBS installed on your computer and that you also have the Zoom client and that you have a Facebook page. Now, let's get to it. Let's start with Zoom. Start with the meeting. And there it is. Join with the audio, and I'm going to show you the settings on Zoom. My webcam is the source of the video in Zoom, and the audio is set as follows. The speaker is set to the high definition audio device, and the microphone is set to my Samson GoMic, which is this one that I have here. Now I'm going to show you the settings on Zoom again, so you see how they are in OBS. The window capture is set to the Zoom meeting, and the capture method is set to Windows Graphics Capture Windows 10, 1903 and up. And that is very important. I'm gonna click on OK. The window capture right now is off because I'm using the display capture just for the purpose of making this video. If I was in a real meeting, I would have the Windows capture on and not the display capture. The audio capture, the microphone in Zoom, in OBS, is set to also to the Samson microphone. Samson microphone in Zoom, Samson microphone in OBS, the same. Now the desktop audio, the speaker is also set to the high definition audio device, the speakers, just like in Zoom, the same. Okay, now on this side, this is all you need. Now let's go to Facebook to get the stream key. The stream key, you can get it from your personal web page, Facebook page, but also if you have a business page, just like in my case, you go to Publishing Tools. Wait a few seconds. On the tools, I click on Create a Studio and click on Go Live to get the stream key. I wait for a few seconds to get the key, and here it is. We're gonna use the stream key, which is located right here. I'm going to copy and bring up OBS Studio to set up the stream key. I'm gonna click on Settings, Stream, paste the new key, click on Apply, OK, and I'm going to start streaming. I'm going to minimize OBS. Video is connecting. As soon as it's here, I'm going to go live on Facebook. There it is. I'm going to maximize this. It's there. Go live, wait a few seconds, and the Zoom meeting is going to appear live on Facebook. If I was using the window capture, that's the only thing that you would see. You would see the Zoom meeting right here. And here it is. This is live on Facebook. I'm going to change the background on Zoom. Yeah, I like that one. And Zoom, you're going to see the changes live on Facebook. And there it is, Zoom meeting live on Facebook. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching.